So guys, in this video we will see how to use this like operator. So for example, let me just take select star from customers where, and now we will use the like operator. So before using the like operator, let's go into our customer table, and you can see over here we will just so we will use on for last name. So the last name like, then b, then a percentage symbol. Okay, now we have to close with semicolon. So this actually means that it will select all the columns from customer where the last name starts with b. Okay, so it means it means that the words will starts with b, and it will doesn't care about the letters which is after b. Okay, it should starts with b, and that can be a capital B, that means uppercase B, or lowercase b. That's fine, it will not check that thing. It is not a case sensitive. So yeah, if you run this comments, you can see all the last names is starts with B, right? Similarly, you can put this percentage symbol here as well. So in this case, it will just there is no limit on on the characters after B and before B. So if the last name contains B, it will show the row. Okay, so yeah, now you can see all the last name at least contains one B. In this first two rows, you can see B is in the first letter, then this one has B in the middle, then this one also has the B in the first letter, and here also the second last one. So yeah, and similarly you can put like this as well. That means all the last name should end with B. Let me run this one. Okay, there is no last name that's end with B. I can put Y over here, and if I run, you can see these last letters ends with Y. Okay, now the next one is underscore. Okay, that underscore means that it contains a Y in the second position. Every underscore means a one characters. So if there is one underscore, that means it represents one character. So if I write underscore Y, that means that the second character of the last name should be Y. If I run it, there is no last name where the second character is Y. So if I just write like this 5 underscore, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now that means that before Y there should be 5 characters. Okay, it is a constant number. When you are using percentage, that means there can be any number of character before B or after B, so on, right? But if you use underscore, that means there is certain number of character. If you use 5 underscore, that means there should be a 5 character before that particular character. Okay, so here it is 5 characters before Y. So if I run, there are these 3 rows where there is 5 characters before Y. Okay, you can see over here. Now if you just write over here B and remove one underscore, then that means the first character should be B, then there should be 4 character, and then there should be a Y. Okay, and this is not case sensitive. You can write it lowercase or uppercase, whatever, and then if you run it, you can see only this last name consists B as a first character, then there is 4 middle characters, and then Y. Okay, so in this way you can use this like operator.